So, you've got YNAB, the amazing budgeting app, and you're ready to take control of your finances. But now, you're wondering, which banks actually work with YNAB? Well, let's dive right in. The basics of bank compatibility. First off, let's talk about what makes a bank compatible with YNAB. Essentially, it boils down to two main factors. Direct import. This is the ideal scenario. Your bank directly feeds transaction data into YNAB, saving you the hassle of manual entry. It's like having a personal financial assistant. Manual entry. If direct import isn't an option, you can still use YNAB, but you'll need to manually input your transactions. While it's a bit more time-consuming, it's still a powerful tool for budgeting. The big players, which banks are compatible. Now, let's get to the juicy part, which banks are compatible with YNAB. Here are some of the big names that play well with YNAB. Major U.S. banks. Most major U.S. banks, including Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Capital One, are compatible with YNAB. Credit unions. Many credit unions, especially those that are part of larger networks, are also compatible. Online and mobile banks. Banks like Ally, Capital One 360, and Chime often integrate seamlessly with YNAB. A word of caution, compatibility can change. It's important to note that bank compatibility can change over time. Banks may update their systems or APIs, which can affect their integration with YNAB. To stay up to date, check YNAB's official website or their support forums for the most current information. How to check compatibility. If you're unsure whether your specific bank is compatible, here's a simple way to check. Visit the YNAB website, head over to the YNAB website and look for their Connect Your Accounts page. Search for your bank, use the search bar to find your bank. If it's listed, you're good to go. Tips for a smooth YNAB experience. To make the most of your YNAB experience, here are a few tips. Keep your YNAB account up to date. Ensure that you're using the latest version of YNAB to access the most recent features and compatibility updates. Check for YNAB updates. Regularly check for updates to the YNAB app, as these updates often include bug fixes and new features. Contact YNAB support. If you encounter any issues with bank compatibility or other YNAB features, don't hesitate to contact YNAB's support team. They're always happy to help. By understanding bank compatibility and following these tips, you can harness the full power of YNAB to take control of your finances. So, what are you waiting for? Start budgeting today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.